So yeah, these are like a few brain bombs that I have learned on my journey, mostly taught to me by my guru, like CC Ravi Shankar ji, that I would want to share with you guys because one, I think these could really help you because they're super simple, and they'll be just like life changers. Hopefully, they'll be life changers for you like they were for me. Second is because if you have certain things that I could adopt, please feel free to comment this thing down below. I would love to read them, and I'm sure that other people also who have the same struggles will be hugely benefited by them. So, yeah, the first thing is to understand one thing very clearly, that nobody else is going to do your discipline for you. Only you can be disciplined, because like that's the whole point of what discipline is, which is why I think that is what is self love. Like because your boundaries, your standards, your self discipline, your routine is your self love. Because it's not like you're getting yourself a piece of cake is easy, like but how you appreciate the effort when somebody else does it. Learn to like your own effort. I know it's not easy to say no. I know it's not hard to set a boundary with a friend and be like, no, I will not come to I will not have another piece of cake with you, or no, I don't want to drink on a Tuesday night, I have work tomorrow. I know it's not easy, but nobody else is going to do it for you. You have to do it for you, because you are not trying to win somebody else's love. You're trying to love on yourself, and you're setting boundaries, like as in certain till a certain limit it's fine. It's not fine after a certain limit, because that's the difference between rules and self discipline, right? So rules are set by somebody else, discipline is what you follow. So like in Hindi, it is shasan and anushasan. So shasan is imposed through somebody else, and you have to follow it whether you like it or not. Whereas discipline is something that you set the rules for yourself, and that, my friend, if you truly can set it up for yourself, is true power. Once you actually listen to yourself, honestly, I swear to God, try saying no to something that you really want to do, which you know is bad for you. For example, eating that Maggie last night, if I would have just said no, the dopamine rush that I would have gotten from saying no, dude, that would have felt like love. That would have felt like love. I wouldn't have felt crappy about it. Like, later on be like, my stomach is all bloated now, whatever. And like, even in the morning when I went to play badminton, I felt all bloaty in the morning because I slept right after I ate. But if I would have said no at that point in time, I would have thanked myself for it. I would have felt that dopamine. I would have been like, man, I really love myself. Like, so that's the difference between like rules and discipline. This is true self love, like discipline is. So that is one. And then the other thing that I know really, really helps me is this. It's a such a stupidly easy thing, where if you feel like doing something stupid, just delay it. Like just delay it. Like I can't tell you the amount of habits I got over, and believe me, I had them. I had habits that I got over. Okay, so every time I would just get a craving or a pang, I would just just be like, okay, 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later. And it's like a gym instructors trick where they be like, two more reps, or five more reps, just when they tell you it's done, just about to just when you're about to be done. Because the more you delay it, either you delay the gratification, which is also good, it'll actually make you feel even better when you do the thing that you wanted to do, or because you felt proud about delaying it a little bit more, or when you do delay it, I promise you, and this happened to me, it's the weirdest thing. When you actually do delay it, that 5 minutes, after that 5 minute is done, you will feel like saying 5 more minutes. And when you say that 5 more minutes, I swear to God, the amount of power and the amount of strength you feel in yourself is crazy. Like that feeling is something that I really hope. all of us experience all the time, and I hope that I give in to that feeling all the time, and I hope that you give in to that feeling all the time, because babe, that's love. Like, so this is the second thing. And the third thing that always helps me, that actually helped me with my discipline a lot, is that if you really want to, like, set something into your routine, like say it's a meditation practice, or if it's a workout or whatever, um, they just take up a challenge where it's like a set time limit. Like, like for example, I will do this for 10 days or 20 days. What I did and what they kind of do at this thing, Art of Living with Sri Sri Ravi Shankar ji, is they kind of make you do your meditation practice for the first time when they teach you. They kind of make you do it for a certain amount of time. Okay, so say for example, I did something for over a month, say 50 days or 30 days or 45 days, right? So after that, you just do it no matter what, no matter how you feel. Don't wait for motivation to freaking hit you. Motivation is a scam. Motivation is a freaking scam. Don't wait for it. Just be like, no matter what I feel like, even if I've had a crap day, even if I have a sprain in my ankle, if and if I said that I am going to go for a walk and I sprained my ankle, I'm going to sleep on the bed and I'm going to do cycles in the air for half an hour. But that half an hour I have put to my working out practice, so I will do that only. So no matter what, okay, like, you just do it for that for 50 days or 30 days or 45 days, and you can give yourself a little treat after that. Or if you're a believer in God or in a guru or whatever it is, speak to them, really pray, and be like, okay, I'm going to do this for 50 days. Okay, and if I do it for 50 days without missing a single day, you are going to give me so and so achievable thing. Like for example, you are going to make me lose 6 kgs if I do this like every day for 50 days. Okay, I want to lose 5 kgs. Okay, I'm going to work out for half an hour, and you do it. Okay, I'm just going to do my thing every day no matter what, and you are going to make sure that I get this. Bye bye. I just leave it and just do it, and just do it. And whether honestly you get the thing at the end or not, which you most probably will, um, it's just you got something in place. You have a system in place now, and you know that you can put a system in place if you will it to be so. So, yep. So these are things that really, really helped me in my self discipline journey, and I would love to hear what you guys also have, like, little tricks that would hopefully help me also, like, through it. So please comment below. I would love to hear from you, and I'm sure everybody else also would love to. And yeah, man, take care and love yourself.